There is a small ring of muscle at the bottom of our food pipe or esophagus called the lower esophageal sphincter or LES. This valve helps to keep the food and acid in your stomach and prevents it from going back up into the esophagus. But when the LES doesn't work properly, the stomach's acid can flow back up into the esophagus. This can happen for different reasons. It could be because the LES is weak or abnormally open, or it could be because there is too much pressure on the stomach, like when you eat a lot or if you're overweight. So when the acid goes up into the esophagus, it can cause a burning feeling in your chest and throat, which is called heartburn. Plus, it can cause many other symptoms like excessive mucus in the throat, difficulty swallowing, sore throat, and sometimes chronic cough. You may feel like there is a lump in your throat, making you feel the need to clear the throat frequently. But don't worry, you can fix your acid reflux the easy way. For that, watch this video till the end, because in today's video, we'll show you which lifestyle changes you should make to get rid of these annoying symptoms of acid reflux and prevent them from getting severe. Let's begin. Number 1. Reduce your total fat intake. The first thing you need to do to fix your acid reflux is to reduce your overall fat intake. High-fat foods tend to stay in the stomach longer and take longer to digest compared to low-fat foods. This delayed stomach emptying can increase the pressure on the LES valve, allowing stomach acid to flow back up into the food pipe. Fatty foods can also cause the LES valve to relax or open up too much. This can let the acid from our stomach go back up into the food pipe, causing acid reflux. Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by becoming a patron. Number 2. Avoid refined carbs. One of the worst things about eating too many refined carbs is that they can trigger inflammation in the body, including our gut. This inflammation can seriously affect the function of LES2, causing it to open even when it's not supposed to. Refined carbs also tend to destroy the balance of healthy gut bacteria, which can cause indigestion, constipation, bloating, and inflammation in the gut, leading to a higher risk of acid reflux. So try to avoid eating too many refined carbs, such as white bread, pasta, white rice, sugary snacks, and processed cereals. On the other hand, you can go for complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains, whole fruits, vegetables, and legumes, as they contain more fiber and nutrients that can actually help with digestion and reduce the risk of acid reflux. It's all about choosing the right types of carbs and having a balanced diet. Number 3. Avoid large meals. Imagine your stomach like a balloon. When you fill it with a small amount of air, it stays relaxed. But if you blow too much air into the balloon, it gets really full and tight. This is similar to what happens when we eat a big meal. The stomach gets very full, and it can make stomach acid come up into our throats. So if you want to fix your symptoms of acid reflux the easy way, try to avoid overeating. Instead, opt for smaller meals throughout the day. This can help your stomach stay relaxed and digest food easily and effectively. Number 4. Do not lie down right after a meal. Perhaps that's the worst thing you could be doing to yourself if you have acid reflux. When we lie down, gravity doesn't help keep the acid down in the stomach like when we're sitting or standing. Plus, it can cause the LES valve to open abnormally, especially if it is already affected by inflammation due to acid reflux. So if you do want to lie down or go to bed after a meal, it's a good idea to wait at least a couple of hours so that your stomach has enough time to empty and the acid has less chance of coming up. Another great tip to help you ease symptoms of acid reflux is to lie down on an inclined bed. This can help keep the stomach acid in the stomach, letting you sleep peacefully. Number 5. Avoid having these drinks. Try to avoid citrus drinks like orange juice, grapefruit juice, and lemonade if you have acid reflux. These are acidic in nature and can further irritate the already inflamed esophagus due to acid reflux. The same is the case with alcoholic beverages and carbonated drinks, including soda and flavored carbonated water. Because if you already have gas in your stomach, the bubbles from these carbonated drinks can produce more gas, increasing the pressure on your stomach. Coffee or caffeinated teas too have the ability to cause relaxation in the LES muscles, making them weak and open abnormally. And most importantly, certain flavored teas known to promote digestion, like mint tea or peppermint tea, can actually worsen the symptoms of acid reflux. So it's best to avoid these drinks. Instead, you can go for plain water, herbal but non-mint teas like chamomile tea, and vegetable juices like cucumber juice or spinach juice. Ginger tea is a pretty good option as it can significantly help alleviate your symptoms of acid reflux and reduce inflammation in the gut. Some studies even suggest that ginger helps strengthen the LES muscles, making them close tight enough to prevent stomach acid from entering the esophagus. Plus, it can also reduce your feeling of nausea, indigestion, gas, bloating, and even stomach pain, and make you feel more relaxed both physically and mentally. Oh, and do avoid eating too much chocolate. Chocolate contains a substance called theobromine, which can also relax the LES. Theobromine is a stimulant similar to caffeine and can have similar effects on the digestive system. Number 6. Lose extra pounds. Excess weight, especially around the abdomen, can put increased pressure on the stomach. This pressure can push the stomach contents, including acid and poorly digested food, up into the esophagus, leading to acid reflux. Losing weight helps to relieve this pressure, reducing the chance of having acid reflux episodes. Not just that, but being overweight or obese can also weaken the LES valve, making it less effective in keeping the acid down. By losing weight, the pressure on the LES is reduced, and its function can improve, leading to a lower risk of acid reflux. Number 7. Regular exercise. This is probably the best thing you can do for your overall health and to prevent acid reflux. Regular exercise helps us maintain a healthy weight and makes our body stronger, including those little muscles we call LES. Plus, it can effectively improve and stimulate our digestive system, making it more efficient in digesting food and pushing it forward, rather than backward to the food pipe. Furthermore, regular exercise is known to reduce stress levels, which can seriously disturb our gut-brain axis, the system of nerves that keeps communication between the gut and brain. A stressed brain can affect your gut, and a stressed gut can affect your brain. Simple as that. Stress can also disrupt digestion and abnormally increase stomach acids, making reflux more likely. Engaging in regular exercise can help manage stress and promote overall relaxation, positively improving acid reflux symptoms. So be sure to keep yourself active, but stress-free, and do exercise at least 3 times a week. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.